Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson, and today we are going to talk about how to do a quantity takeoff of steel structural work of our roof tile. So before we go into our detail, I would like to explain you a little bit. So there's two things I would like to mention here. First one is how to do a quantity takeoff of the zinc, because as you can see there are a slope of it. That example 30 degree, you can see. So based on our drawing, it's only the horizontal plane, so we need a formula to get the actual slope based on our design. So the zinc below the roof tile is the same thing. As you can see, we will get the total area with the slope 30 degree, and also beside that there will be a rafter. There will be a double rafter and rafter as well. As you can see, there are slope as well with a 30 degree. I will explain with the formula just a moment. And also the Purlin. Purlin is the horizontal one. As you can see, there's no slope, so we don't need to add the formula into it. So okay, as you can see down here, we need to find the length included with the slope 30 degree. All we have right now is the plan, the horizontal one, either the by length for the rafter and also the area for the zinc or the tile as well, roof tile. So the formula is the same, just one is for an actual roof area with a slope. It's equal to plan area divided by cost of data. Let example the 30 degree. Also the actual length of the rafter equal to plan length that we will measure based on our horizontal plane divided by cost the data as well. So that's all. Let's go straight to our detail. So first of all is about the hollow rectangle tool. 50 by 100 by 1.8 millimeter thickness for the double rafter. So let's go straight to our detail. As you can see here is the detail of the roof. We got a section as well, but as it's marked in here, you can see we got the double rafter tool, 50 by 100 and by 1.8 thickness. So it shows us where is the rafter. So first of all, you need to draw a line for the length of the rafter based on the horizontal layout we have right here. As you can see, so it shows us right here. So this, okay, and you can see. Now we got length of the double rafter. You need to draw for all the rafter that we need. You can see here, I draw already because I don't want this course is too long for you guys. And this as well, as you can see, along here, here, and here. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is we click on it, the line that we just draw at the moment, and then we type IL, isolate layer, and you can see, oh, why this one is double? Let me open it back. Okay, so it double, so it's just fine. Let's isolate it back. All you need to do now, you go to QS Auto Pro Utility, and then you find the total length of it, TLC. You can select it one by one like that. Make sure it's more accurate. You can do like this as well, just one by one. You can see, just a few clicks, and then you get the length of it. Boom. Now you type command LO to layer open back. Boom. Now we got the double rafter. You can see here. And let me put number one right here. And then now we're going to add a formula to get the slope. 30 degree, as you can see here. So the slope of our roof is 30 degree. So as I mentioned it earlier, so the formula is really simple for the rafter. So we got the plan length that we just get at the moment and divided by the cost of data, the 30 degree. Let me show you here. So we got the plan length, the horizontal one, and now we need a cost of data, as you can see here. So we got the plan length, we will divide it by the cost radian, 30 degree, as you can see here. As you can see, you can type cost radian. Sorry. Yep, and then type, and then 30 degree. And you can see. So now we got the cost data, the 30 degree based on our detail. And now you just copy it down here. Let me remove this one. Perfect. So now we got the plan length, and then we will divide it by cost data. You can see. Now we will get the length of this double rafter right here. So the length plan, the horizontal one, is 5.32 meter, but with the slope 30 degree, there will be 6.14 meter. So now you just copy it, and you can see now the length of it will be increased. Okay, copy this one as well. Okay, and you can see, so the net based on our horizontal plane is 5.32 with a slope 30 degree. There will be 6.14. Now let me subtotal it. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the total length of the rafter is 47.46 meter. Okay, perfect. We done one. Let me group it. Now we need to double check. You click QS Auto Pro and then find item. You can see, so the double rafter is showing right here based on our plan, our detail. You can see. So now we got the right length for the double rafter with the slopes 30 degree. Okay, it's done. Now we're going for the normal rafter. Let me insert this one. Okay, for the normal rafter, you can see here it shows us exactly where it is. So this one with the slope as well, but first of all we need to count the length based on our net length plan. You can see based on our detail. So we do the same thing as I already draw it. You can see all you need to do is just draw line by line based on the detail that I have. Let me show you one. You just PL and enter. You can see, so this one is the rafter 50 by 100 by 1.2 as I point right here. So you just draw a line, as you can see. So now it point for you to just draw a line, a single line based on the length of it. As you can see, now I have done all of it because I don't want the video is too long for you guys. Okay, so now all we need to do is just click on the line that we just draw at the moment and then click IL, the isolate layer, and then enter. Now we get all the rafter that's the thickness is 1.2 millimeter. Okay, as you can see here. So all you need to do is going to QS Auto Pro utility, and then you go to some length, the TLC, and then you select all of it. Or you can do it one by one as well. It's up to you. Select all of it and then enter. You can see, so based on the horizontal plane, the length of it is 212 meter, but with the slope 30 degree, we will find out just a second. So we just copy this and paste it because it's the same formula with the 30 degree slope as well. All you have to do is just copy it and paste it right here. Oops, let me. Okay. I think this one, let me adjust it a little bit. Okay. 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 It's just like a wrong row. It's fine. Okay. Perfect. Boom, now we got it. So with the 30-degree slope, there will be 245 meter. So now we have done this one. It's perfect. Now we turn back our layer, LL, enter. Now we're going for the Purlin, the hollow square tube, 25 by 25 by 1.2 millimeter thickness. Okay, as you can see. So for this one, as it's shown right here, this one is a horizontal, so we don't need a slope. Basically, it's just here. It's a horizontal based on our length with this, so we don't need slope such as the rafter or double rafter or zinc or tile. Okay, so we just get the length based on our layout and we are good to go. Okay, so now all you need to do is just draw a line based on the detail here, as I point out with this length. And you can see I have drawn all of it, so you just draw one by one. Make sure you get all the length that we need. Okay, and now you do the same thing. You just click on it and then tap IL and enter. You can see, and now you go the same QF Auto Pro utility and then somewhere to get all the length that we need, and then enter. Boom, there will be 699 meter. For this one, we don't need a slope because it's a horizontal one, not vertical as another. You can see now it's done. Next, you go for the zinc. For the zinc is we count it as a square meter. Let me copy it. Either square meter. For the hollow tube, we count it as meter. Okay, now LO for layer open back. Now for the zinc below the roof tile, you can see, so we count it as square meter, and then we will look into the tile later on. Okay, now all we need to do, we need to get the flat layout area, the horizontal one. As you can see, all you need to do is just polyline around it based on our design. Okay, and then we will take it and divide it by the cos data is 30 degree as above with the same formula. Okay, and now we go to QS Auto Pro utility, and then you go to total area, QSTA, and then you click on the polyline that just created at the moment and click enter. Boom, now we get it. That will be 171 square meter net based on our layout. And now what we need is the cos data, the 30 degree we use as above, and then we take it and divide it by cos data, and then we will get the area of the zinc with slope 30 degree, as you can see. So the net based on our layout is 171, but with the slope 30 degree there will be 197 square meter. Okay, perfect. Now we got the zinc and accessory. Let's keep it one lot right here, so because we need the price later on. Okay, perfect. So all we have now is the structure for our roof. As you can see, we got the double rafter, the rafter, Purlin, and the zinc under the Purlin, as you can see. So for right now, we got all the structure for our roof tile, and I would like to end our lesson right here, and see you guys for the next one.